Welcome, everybody. Bobby Two Pumps Breaks. It is Friday, December the 2nd, and we are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus. It's the first box of a brand new series. Just launched it tonight. We randomed up our 34 boxes. 31 is what we got. We did random team sales on the right. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them all a chance to trade. Here we go. Pop of your seal for our very first box of the series, y'all. Well, bam. Going to be a music spot, guys, with the Tekashi 6ix9ine jersey. That is going to the music spot. Also, going to start off with a very nice hit, guys, in the John Elway. Bam! Signed jersey for Denver. Last but not least in this one, guys, going to be the James Wiseman for the Golden State Warriors spot. Alrighty, guys, beautiful John Elway Beckett Witness hologram on that. Beautiful hit for the Denver spots. Wow, Hans. Well, Hans, took you a little while to get going there, but man, once you got going, you've been hitting fairly consistently. Your first big hit on the board there, but nice hit there for you, bud. Well, very sorry, everybody else. Alright, you guys can start calling out your keeps while we're going over this, because I still got to do our random everything for the Yankees bat, the series end giveaway. Then we got the Tekashi 6ix9ine jersey, folks. That is going to the music spot. Bam. Well, I guess you could call it music. That's what some people might say is music. I'm not one of those. Alright, but who is music? Well, Steve, I'm sure Tekashi's one of your favorite artists there. No, you got a kid or someone you can trade that to or give it to there. Alright, then who is Golden State? That is going to be Tom Ritter taking that one. Get the damn thing in the plastic there in the HG8 ones are a little. Alright, so 6-9 goes to Steve. Away goes to Hans, and card goes to Tom. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the opening portion of our break. Let me do our qualifier here real quick. Alright, well, Tom and Steve back to back guys on the bottom there. Could he get pulled out? Wow, also Stallion, man, all three of the bottom guys. It just hit me there. Yeah, all three of our bottom guys got hits there. Alright, so top two are going to qualify for the series and Yankees bat, guys. Alright, we have an 8. Two, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 times. Alright, Drew and Gigi gonna be our two, or the first two qualifiers there, I should say. For the Yankees bat, folks, again, we're giving that away at the end of the series. 63 signatures in total on that. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. About at 2 Pops Breaks.